Hi guys, today I will be making some spicy cumin pork stew. So here I have 2 pieces of pork chops and I'm cutting them into 1-inch size pieces. Once I add the water, I'm going to add a lot of salt, some vinegar, and along with some hot pepper sauce. And guys, this is my way of doing my meat, okay? Once I place the salt, vinegar, and pepper into this meat, I'm going to let it sit for 25 minutes. Once 25 minutes is up, I'm going to just squeeze them. I'm not going to wash them and just place them into a larger dish. And guys, putting the vinegar and the salt and pepper onto this meat is going to allow the meat to be pre-seasoned, at the same time washing away the rawness from the meat. Here I'm adding some black pepper along with some paprika. I'm also adding some mustard. Now I'm adding some of my homemade green seasoning along with some grated ginger and grated garlic. Now add some teriyaki sauce, and this teriyaki sauce has a lot of salt, so because of that I'm not going to be adding the natural salt onto the meat. Give it a good mix and set it aside for 25 minutes. So here I have a pan over medium heat. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Once they're all parched and look like this, I'm going to place them onto a board using a rolling pin, and I'm going to just mash them like so until they turn into a powder form. I'm also going to be adding some hot table pepper, and if you do not know to do it this way, guys, it's okay. You can use a little mortar and pestle like this one here, and you can just mash them until they're grounded like that. So over medium heat, I have 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil gets hot, I'm going to now place the meat into the oil. So after the meat has been cooking for 5 minutes, I'm now gonna just turn them around, toss them up like this. Then I'm going to add the ground cumin seeds and the hot pepper that I did prepare earlier. Now I'm going to add some chopped onions, toss them around like so, and I'm also going to be adding 1.5 cups of boiling water. This is going to help to speed up the cooking process. Here I'm going to be adding some cubes along with some onion flakes, and feel free to add any seasonings of your choice just so that you can get the desired taste. Alright, once I do this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. So I'll place the cover onto this pot and let it cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is what my pork stew looks like. And when you're cooking, you need to taste, guys. If only you can smell the aroma in this kitchen. My spicy cumin pork stew is savory, it is tender. Oh my goodness. And you need to try this, guys. Now that it's finished, I'm going to turn the heat off and I'm going to add some chopped chives. Once I add the chives, it's time to serve. And here I serve my spicy cumin pork stew with some basmati white rice along with some fresh garden salad on the side. Guys, you need to try this. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Also press that subscribe button, and thank you for visiting. I will see you in my next video. Bye.